Finally, the top printer for art prints and artists is the HP DesignJet T230. Prepare to elevate your artistic journey to extraordinary heights with this device. Immerse yourself in a world of boundless creativity and unleash the full potential of your professional portfolio with breathtaking large format plots and drawings. This cutting-edge 24-inch plotter color printer is meticulously crafted to transform your workspace into a haven of artistic expression. With its generous capacity to accommodate sheets up to 13 inches by 19 inches in a wide format, this printer empowers you to bring your visions to life on a grand scale. Need seamless efficiency? Look no further. With the optional automatic sheet feeder accessory and wireless connectivity through Wi-Fi Direct, you can stay in the zone and maintain your artistic flow without any interruptions. But that's not all. We understand the importance of peace of mind when it comes to your creative endeavors. That's why we like that this unit proudly offers a 2-year warranty care pack, extending your coverage from a standard 90 days to a full 2 years of worry-free printing. Experience exceptional print quality, unwavering reliability, and unmatched ease of use, making this printer a coveted asset for digital print shops, graphics art studios, and professionals in drafting, design, and illustration. It's a performance-driven powerhouse capable of effortlessly handling your most demanding projects. Prepare to be astounded as this award-winning large format printer flawlessly renders photorealistic color prints in less than a minute per A4 or letter-size page. Every image will come to life with stunning accuracy and breathtaking clarity. Simply plug in the gigabit Ethernet cable or connect with a high-speed USB cable and watch as your documents transform into captivating masterpieces. Whether you're creating striking posters, intricate maps, or precise technical drawings, this printer ensures every line is perfectly rendered and every text appears crisp and immaculate. It's time to embark on a journey of boundless creativity. Step into a world where precision meets brilliance and where your artistry knows no bounds. Elevate your craft with the unrivaled capabilities of this remarkable printer and watch as your artistic visions unfold before your eyes. Its pros are: it comes with a comprehensive 2-year warranty and full customer and maintenance support from HP for your peace of mind. Its design creates precise and accurate line quality and crisp text that's ideal for technical line drawings, posters, and maps. It uses up to 95% less ink for routine maintenance versus competitor plotter printers, making it more efficient and productive from job prep to final print. And it can easily switch between different media types like sheets, rolls, and banners. However, it can be a little difficult to locate photo quality settings at first. The HP DesignJet T230 is a brilliant device that is easy to set up, simple to operate, comprehensive in design, and provides incredible picture clarity. It is highly recommended for any artist needing or professional printer operative with clients that need the best quality possible. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.